Video to show you how to create the Creative Cloud library for your sticker project. Just to review, if you want to open up the Creative Cloud, there's 4 different ways. You can go to adobe.com and log into your Creative Cloud through the search bar. You can also go to the top right corner of your desktop and find the Creative Cloud up here at the top. Sometimes that isn't there. If that's not there, you may have the rainbow colored app here on the bottom of your dock, or you can click on your desktop, go to Applications, click on the red folder for Creative Cloud, and then you can open up the app that way. Once you open this up, this cloud and the rainbow app on the bottom should pop up. So let's go into our Creative Cloud. When you first go into here, you're going to see your files. If you don't see this, go ahead and click on Files, and then we want to go down to Libraries, your libraries. You can see I have quite a few created. I even have one for the sticker project. So after I show you this next step, I'll go to this to show you the finished product. You are going to go to New Library. You're going to title this Sticker Project. And then within the library itself, we're going to create 3 different groups. We're going to click the plus button and we're going to do an assets folder, our group. We're going to do the working files, and we're going to do the final files. What are these? Assets are images or references to a project that you need to generate ideas, or maybe even things that you're adding to the project. It might be shared by another person or things that you've collected. Working files are the computer files that are editable, meaning that you're going to put Adobe files in here, things that you can open up and actually change and make edits to. The final files are the finished products. These are the products that you would send off to a client that are nice and organized and clean, usually PNGs or JPEG versions, or maybe even PDF versions of your project. So we're going to focus just on the assets folder today. You're going to see that you have a section here. You are going to go into your computer, or I should say Google, and you're going to start to search up stickers. You're going to collect stickers that look interesting to you, not necessarily by subject, but just the style. You may find things that are interesting by subject. When you find a picture, you're going to basically take that picture and drop it into the assets folder. You can do that by putting it on the desktop first and then dragging it in. Like for instance, I have a picture here, and if I go into my assets folder, I could potentially just add it directly to the assets folder. You can also sometimes, if the computer will let you, take the image and hover over the cloud at the top and then place it in. Sometimes that doesn't let you, so it just depends on how nice your computer's being to you. You're going to collect 20 different pictures, 20 different images. Now granted, some of these might be photographs. So for instance, let's go back to my finished library. Here I did this, but I collected a full 20 pictures. I have a picture of my dog because I know going into this project from the start, I'm gonna use my dog for my sticker. Now, the rest of these stickers I collected, I like the style of them, I like the shading, I like the coloring. I like the way that the artist used Illustrator or a vector program to make them. I also gave myself some options of additional animals in case I change my mind throughout the project, but I did include a picture of my animal. So if you know right from the start, or maybe you're even thinking about doing a sticker of your dog or your cat or your bird, or some of you even have turtles, you need to put that picture in here as a reference because it's considered an asset. Okay, once the pictures are now collected and I have 20 finished pictures dropped into here, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to do Command-Shift-4, and I'm going to start here in the corner, and I'm going to drag across. That picture then gets opened. Click Done. It's going to go to your desktop. Then you'll go into Canvas, and I don't have this published right now, but what I would do is I would go down to the rocket ship, take the picture from my desktop that I just took, the screenshot, and drop it into the project, or I should say assignment. What I'm looking for is I'm looking to see that you created the 3 groups properly and that you have 20 different assets inside of this group. That is what is required for this. When we are done with the project, we will then finish off the working files and final files and have a finished Creative Cloud library. But for now, before we start the project, in the brainstorming process, we're now just going to be collecting the 20 pictures.